At O9, our vision is to transform companies,
to provide the tools for them to perform better.
Bottom up and top down across the global supply chain.
We help our customers make better decisions driven by data, to forecast and plan for the future,
and ensure they are ready for whatever comes their way.
In reality, this is just the start.
O9 is made up of much, much more.
At O9, we realize the value in being transparent.
To communicate, to listen, and to learn from each other.
These are such vital ingredients that makes companies grow and flourish.
We are on a mission to develop the best platform and solution to help enterprises have more inspired employees,
to be happier at work and happier at home,
and to make better contributions to society.
At O9, we are eco-conscious
and always passionately striving to act on our sustainable mission.
Global supply chains are the largest consumers of the Earth's resources.
Good planning means enterprises are able to progress
while using less of the Earth's precious resources.
Our multicultural team carries this ethos into our offices.
From Dallas to Amsterdam,
Bangalore to Seoul,
Tokyo to London.
Like the supply chain, all the dots of our organization have to be connected in order to improve day by day.
At O9, we learn from failures and celebrate our wins.
We're a young company, spirited and enthusiastic, and growing rapidly.
We want all O9ers to be leaders in every initiative they take. We empower people, get the best out of each other,
and by increasing positivity, we inspire productivity.
Join the O9 rocket ship. We want you on board.